DS3 Crossback, 3 cylinders 1.2 PureTech 130 horsepower performance line, 2021-2022. Performance line builds on base elegance trim with Alcantara trim, heated electrically folding door mirrors, dark 17-in alloy wheels, tinted rear windows and sports pedals. Does a great job of differentiating it from similar alternatives. You'll find a raised driving position and a broad dashboard as is usual for a crossover, but it's also genuinely eye-catching with a futuristic, posh design that makes alternatives such as the Audi Q2 look a bit bland. Those swanky modern looks mean that not all of the DS3 Crossback's controls are located where you'd expect. The electric window switches, for example, are mounted on the center console beside the gear lever, and the door handles are located way down by the door pockets. To take your mind off those confusing controls, the DS3 Crossback comes with 9 different color schemes for the interior, including sporty black designs, fancy bronze effect trims and an airy almost all-white affair. Some of the standard equipment: 7-inch digital instrument cluster display, cruise control with speed limiter, DS Connect box emergency and assistance system, multifunction onboard trip computer, mirror screen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, airbags, front rear lateral and curtain airbags, height adjustable front seat belts with pretensioners and front and rear load limiter, electric parking brake, hill assist control, tire pressure monitoring system. Front seats are comfortable and roomy enough for tall adults. Those in the back are rather more cramped. The rear doors don't open all that far, and there's barely enough space for a 6-foot passenger's knees if they find themselves behind an equally tall driver. 3 kids will have enough space to stretch out, but carrying very young passengers is made more difficult by the DS3 Crossback's hidden ISOFIX covers and narrow rear door openings. At least its raised ride height means you don't have to stoop down a great deal to strap in a child. The bad news continues when you come to load the DS3 Crossback's boot. At 350 liters in capacity, it's almost 30% smaller than the load bay you get in a VW T-Roc.